We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
What's the best temperature to set your thermostat? Summer. Typically, our bodies are most comfortable when the air inside our home is 74 to 76 degrees. So, a safe setting is 75 degrees. However, this is only necessary when you're in your home. When gone, you can set your thermostat anywhere from 76 to 78.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.